Hello everyone! I know we were supposed to be outside for this video, but Tennessee has switched from boiling hot, horrible humidity to severe storms, and it just goes back and forth between the three. So we are really miserable over here right now, and I know a lot of the rest of the nation is too, which is why I decided to make a no bake, no cook, no heat of any kind light brunch or lunch. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you what we're going to make. We have a Mediterranean chickpea salad that my mom found on the internet by Mackenzie Gore. You can see she's put very good because she really liked it. You can also see that she made some changes. So she added some black beans, she did tomatoes instead of the feta, and she's also added some various herbs to it from time to time, which makes it really good. I'm actually going to change it a little bit more from what Mom has done, because I'm going to be adding a trio of some gorgeous looking herbs that I just picked out of my herb garden. We've got parsley, of course. We've got basil, and then I've also got chives, which I think are going to be really good. And these are the garlic chives. I've got this gorgeous red onion that I got from my local farmer's market. Look how huge and beautiful that is. We've got some cucumber, of course, tomatoes, bell pepper, and then we've got our beans. We're not even going to cook the beans today. We're going to just go ahead and let Bushes bother with that and do the cooking for us. In fact, this is so easy to put together that even Mitch could do it. So usually Mitch makes our breakfasts and doesn't really make things like this, but he's really excited to try it. Mitch, are you ready?
All ready.
Okay. Wait, so you're gonna use this?
Yeah, I think it'll work.
Okay.
I got a plan.
Well, I have some tools ready for you. You don't want to use these?
Nah, I'm good. I got plenty of tools.
Okay, so, well, I'm just gonna be out and about, doing some stuff. Just call me when it's ready, or if you need any help.
I got this.
Mitch, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Almost done.
Okay, just let me know when you're ready.
Alright, everything's ready.
All right. Let's see what you did. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my, everything is perfectly diced. The tomatoes are beautifully in halves. The cucumber and the onion are gorgeously diced. I am so impressed. I cannot wait to eat this. All right, let's give it a try. This is so good. This is one of the best things I think you can eat in the summer, because you can throw it together with no heat involved, and it's such a wonderful cool down lunch. It's got that nice umami flavor. It's got almost everything you would kind of want in one dish. Those hearty beans, but then that crunchy cucumber and bell pepper. And if you get some of this stuff fresh out of your garden or your farmer's market, even better. So Mitch, you did a great job. This is a wonderful lunch. I can't wait to eat the rest of it. I'm gonna have a really hard time staying out of the rest of that bowl. And I really hope you try this at home because I think you're gonna love it. And you don't have to use power tools if you don't want to, but apparently, I was going to say, it sounded a lot more fun. So thanks for watching this episode. Hope you really enjoyed it. Hope you try this and love it just as much as we do. And we will see you in the next episode, which is probably also going to be a no-cook recipe if this heat and humidity keeps on here in Tennessee. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.
And if you like historical cooking and unusual cookbooks, here's 2 more videos you might enjoy. And make sure to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures.